Okay, in the garage today, it is pouring rain outside and it's dark. So nothing's happening outside, it's all in the garage. And on rainy days, we do oil changes, at least this time of year we do. I wanna start getting the oil changes out of the way on all of my equipment, getting ready for the new season. And I wanna start with my new Spyker ride-on spreader that I picked up for my business last year. I'm probably a little late for the first oil change, but better late than never. So want to walk you through how easy it is to change the oil on this and show you how I do it and what oil I use and all of that. So here we go. So like I said, it's cold and rainy outside. I've actually got the heater on in here. This is the Big Buddy. I don't know if you guys have seen those before, but that thing's awesome. So for those of you who don't know, I did start kind of a little side business last year, and I picked up Spyker's ride-on spreader to help me with that business, and it's just been a massive help for me. It's super awesome. I love it, and it's gonna see some more action again this year on both my yard and on my customers' yards. So getting into the actual oil change process on this thing, this is a Honda GXV 160 engine, and the way that they've got this set up is as easy as it could possibly be when it comes to changing the oil. It's literally drain and fill. And the nice thing about the drain part is that they actually have an onboard drain line. So I'm gonna bring my drain pan over, get it set up, and simply unscrew the cap on the end of the drain line, drain the oil out, and then I'm ready to put the drain plug back in and refill with fresh, clean oil. Okay, so I should mention that before you start draining your oil, you want to warm up the engine first. Get the oil nice and warm, that way it will flow a little bit quicker and you'll get the majority of the oil out. That was done prior to shooting the video here. Made sure to open up the space. Don't do it in a closed room. Don't do that. So Spyker has the hose zip tied to the point of attachment for ratchet straps. I don't like this here because I can already tell you that it's gonna be a bit of a mess because the oil is gonna drip out of the hose onto the spreader itself here and get all over the place. So I'm gonna cut the zip tie, bring the hose over here, and then it will flow away from the spreader and hopefully not make a mess. So while that drains, I like to just kind of clean up a little bit, mainly on this cap that you didn't know was gray or like a white color here. This is the oil fill right here. And that gets kind of greasy, so I like to use Super Clean. Super Clean is a fantastic degreaser. It just makes quick work of cleaning up really anything. It is awesome. You can just wipe stuff down, give it a nice little shine. It's awesome. So there, that feels a little better. Got a nice clean area to put new fresh oil in. Super Clean is a little stinky. Okay, so that's just about done draining. So let me go ahead and show you my motor oil of choice. It is the Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic. You can get this anywhere. Read the manual and decide which grade is best for your area. I'm going with a 10W30. This is what I put in all of my engines. So in my lawnmowers, my spreader, this is what I use. So yeah, Mobile One, Extended Performance Advanced Full Synthetic. 10W30 is what I go for. NASCAR. The only thing that I didn't appreciate about the owner's manual for the Honda motor is it didn't tell you how much oil you're supposed to put in there. It said just go off the dipstick and make sure that you fill until you're within the acceptable range on the dipstick. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put some oil in, check, put some more oil in, check, repeat until we are full. And then, pro tip, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a new quart of oil, and it tells you how much oil is left on the side. And from there, we can learn how much oil needs to go in. And we can make a note of it and have that information ready to go for next time and speed up the process just a little bit more. All right, there it is, easy as that. Drain it, fill it, back to work. I'm just gonna finish cleaning up after myself because I'm a filthy animal, and put this thing to rest for the night, and then it's on to the next one, and that's gonna be my Greens Master right here. Time for an oil change on that one. And then we've got the Time Master, time for an oil change on that one as well. So that's gonna go ahead and do it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, maybe you found this video helpful, entertaining, maybe a combination of the two. Please consider subscribing, I would appreciate that. If you're not already signed up for my email list, please consider clicking the link below in the description to sign up for my email list. I do monthly giveaways to my email subscribers, so make sure that you subscribe to the email list. You're automatically entered in to win something each month. So that's gonna go ahead and do it. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.